Hi guys, it's Any, aka the Noctrader, your friendly neighborhood swing trader, and I'm back again with another video. Today is Sunday the 28th of April 2019. I want to be giving a technical analysis report and breakdown of US and UK stocks. Let's get straight into the video. And we're back. You know I'm going to ask you to do next. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that alert button so that you can get alerted on all of the videos that I have coming up. I try and publish videos daily if possible, and I do a lot of evergreen and daily technical analysis content like the one that you're watching now. I also have Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at the Noctrader on all social media platforms. And if you want to join my mailing list, there's a link in the description section below. And if you join my mailing list, you get priority access to my free training course that I'm creating for beginner traders. You also get an update on all the stocks that I'm trading in a watch list spreadsheet. You also get an email of all of the videos that I have straight into your inbox, just in case you don't get the alerts. Now let's get straight into the video. Before I get started, I have another video. The last video I made was the 3 stocks that I'm watching for 2019, May 2019. So not watching, but these are 3 main stocks that I think are the best potential swing trades for this month. Last month I chose BAE and SLA. BAE I cashed that at £300, and SLA I'm still in that and it's still rising. So 2 for 2 so far for last month. This month I've got 3 stocks and plus a bonus stock at the end. If you watch the video to the end, the link is in the right hand corner. That's why this technical analysis report today is going to be a little bit shorter. I've only got 4 stocks. It's because all of the juicy ones, all of the best ones are in the last video. So keep watching this video for other setups. But the video before, that's in the top right hand corner that I mentioned before, is the one that has the ones that I think are the best swing trades for this month. I've got 2 UK and 2 US stocks for this video. So the 2 UK stocks are Vodafone. Now I mentioned Vodafone in my last technical analysis video, if you want to check that out. And I said that it was a great swing trade, and lo and behold, it's kind of done what I expected it to do. Now, some people this may look like a channel pattern, and I think I previously said that this was a channel pattern, but I feel like it may actually be a triple bottom that's ready to break out. You only really know this if it breaks out of this upside. I've actually made another video, another plug on triple bottoms, double bottoms, triple tops, double tops. I made it a couple days ago. I'll linked in the right hand corner as well, where it just shows you how to trade triple bottoms and double bottoms, so that you can manage your risk and maximize your profits without exposing yourself too much to risk, as I said before. So yeah, I think this is a triple bottom, but we won't really know until this breaks out and then consolidates and comes back up. So right now I actually have a couple of subscribers that said that they took this position on, and they're just riding it. Reason why I say I think it's a triple bottom is because this is the 2-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart as well, the 180-day simple moving average is almost like it's trying to sit underneath the price, and it's been falling for quite some time, but now it's trying to sit underneath the price, and I think it's in a position where it's going to start curving upwards. And if it does that, that means long-term price movement has decided to change, and it stopped its downward trajectory, and it wants to start going up in the long run. And if that happens, then it will kind of slightly confirm my bullish suspicions that Vodafone has kind of hit rock bottom and has gone as low as it's going to go, and it's going to start climbing again. So this would be one to watch. If you've entered the position when I said last time, you would be up now quite a bit. But what I'd say is that if you're already in this position, the best way to attack this would be to wait for it to get up to about 144, 145, exit half of your position, and if price kind of retraces, then you want to exit completely. But if it breaks out, then you could just keep the other half position, wait for it to consolidate, and then maybe re-enter your first half that you exited when it hits the line, and then it can climb up some more. If that makes sense, let me know if that makes sense in the comment section below. I think I explained that pretty well. But so just have a half stake in it once it hits that line, so that if it retraces, you can still take out the rest of your stake and still make some sort of profit. My next one is British American Tobacco. So yeah, the sell-off has started already. I think there's more where that came from. It's already started selling off. And as I said, this white line here is one that you need to, I would want it to break as well, just to confirm. But as far as I'm concerned, I think it's a good, now is a good time to enter a short position, because on the daily chart, the 180-day simple moving average, which is the orange line, is trending downwards and doesn't seem like it's changing direction anytime soon. It's acting as a resistance near the resistance line. The actually, this line shouldn't be here. No, that's right. Ignore that. So yeah, it's trending downwards. Price has started selling off. It's gone down and retraced back up. So everything's just telling me it's a short, and if you want to play it really conservative, you can just short it to this line. But if you really want to, hold for a longer position, but you might have to hold for quite some time because it might have some retracements before it goes down to the support line. You can short it all the way down to this line, but you may be holding it for a couple of months. You know me, I can't really hold positions for a couple of months because I've got a short attention span. That's why I like to swing trade. So yeah, you can hold it down to this line. That'll be about 200 something pips. And where it's at right now, you stop loss, you could just set it kind of tight. You could set it at about 3110, something like that. Yeah, I'll just say it's a great short right now, just because of the overall pattern that it's displaying. Now on to my American stocks. Oxford, Immunotec, yeah, don't know what they do. I think they're maybe like a vaccination company. I don't know. I honestly don't know what they do. Very volatile company. I'm assuming they're pharmaceutical, because a lot of pharmaceuticals have very exaggerated pullbacks and retracements in intraday, but they still follow a specific motion. So as you can see, it's a kind of like an ascending channel pattern. On the daily, the 180-day simple moving average is acting as a support line here. On the 4-hour chart, the pattern seems a bit more clear cut. Price, at first I thought it was selling off and was breaking out of this support line, but it seems like it's found a bed on this support line. What I'd like to see it do is to climb a little bit first. What have I done here? Climb a little bit more, but as far as I'm concerned, I feel like it's just a straight up ascending channel pattern, and it's just going to climb up to the resistance line. Obviously, it's going to have some ebbs and flows, but I can see it climbing all the way to the resistance line. You can make about 300, nearly 400 pips, and you can risk about 130. So yeah, let's say 1 to 3, something like that. I need to be able to do maths. So yeah, 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, which is pretty good. And last one is Lululemon. Lululemon is one that I called out in one of my previous technical analysis videos. I said that if it breaks out, then it'll be a great time to enter if it retraces back to the line. I thought the retracement was here, but I was wrong. It retraced once again back to the line, and now, so I think now would be a time to enter. It's the perfect time to enter. Price is broken out to an all-time high, peaked, come back down, kissed the previous resistance as a support now, and now I think it's time where it will just carry on climbing. As I said, with all-time highs, you have to just really play it safe, because you don't know where it's going to climb to. It's going in uncharted territory, so technical analysis, there's no support or resistance line to really plot as you climb to new highs. So this is where having something like RSI, MACD and volume can really dictate to you where you want to exit, because maybe as volume or RSI or MACD starts dissipating, as you start climbing, you can maybe decide to sell off, or what you could do is that keep raising your stop loss and just wait for a big retracement and exit. But once you enter here, I think that's kind of clear sailing in terms of being in green territory. It will keep climbing, you raise your stop loss, and then your stop loss will be in the green. Then you'll be in a situation where it won't be, are you going to make a profit or are you going to lose? It'll just be about how much are you going to make and how close do you want to set your stop loss, so that it triggers a exit when the price retraces. So yeah, so my 4 picks, well not picks, but the 4 stocks I've analysed today are Vodafone, British American Tobacco, Oxford Immunotec, and Lululemon Athletica. Once again, check out my last video for in-depth technical and fundamental analysis on my 3 swing trades for May 2019. And Noctrader signing out.